How to fix X app playback error. If you're experiencing a playback error on the X app, start by updating the app. Go to the Play Store, search for X, and if an update is available, tap Update. If you see Open, it means your app is already up to date. Move on to the next step. Open your settings, scroll down, and go to Apps. Search for and select the X app. Under Usage, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If you remember your login credentials, you can also tap Clear Data to reset the app completely. Return to the app info page, go to Permissions, and ensure permissions for photos and videos are set to always allow. Go back to the app info page one more time and tap Force Stop to completely shut down the app. Restart your device, log into your X account again, and the playback error should be resolved. Thank you for watching.